Myths versus facts about solar power and how it can help your home become carbon-free. Myth versus fact. Solar power doesn't work in winter or when it's cloudy. That's a myth. Solar panels work through all seasons and weather. Yes, even through rain, snow, or clouds. Myth versus fact. Solar power pays for itself in 10 years. That's a fact. Solar power pays for itself through tax incentives, lower energy bills, protection from extreme weather, and boost in home resale value. Myth versus fact. Installing solar power is complicated. That's a myth. Solar purchasing programs make it easier to get solar power. The programs offer information and benefits, like a free virtual home assessment, bulk discounts on solar systems, and access to a pre-qualified solar installer. Myth versus fact. Solar power has a big benefit to the environment. That's a fact. Solar power is renewable energy. By using renewable energy instead of fossil fuels, you can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and pollution, increase the reliability of the power grid, and make your home energy carbon-free. For more tips on how to be carbon-free, visit our website